Hello, welcome back to another News and Nonsense. I have my returning champions with me. I have Dan, Ben, and Steve, part of the Linux A team, or half of it tonight. Anyway, I'm actually on Facebook for a reason. There is a Linux group on Facebook that you guys can check out. I think it's just called Linux Fans Group, I believe is the name. I caught this strictly by accident. Linux distributions, if they were students, okay? Linux operating systems, if they were students. For example, Arch. This is how they describe Arch if it was a student. The attention-seeking kid likes to assert dominance over all others and will literally die if someone doesn't talk to him for 5 minutes.
Oh, God.
This isn't me, by the way. I'm not naming names.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
This is the Facebook.
It's in the ballpark.
All right. This is Arch. Debian, Dan's favorite. Debian, if a student. A little boring and outdated, but friendly and trustworthy. Everybody likes him. That's pretty good, actually. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Next up is Manjaro. The one who has a crush on Arch.
Oh.
Thinks no one knows it, but everybody does.
Oh, God.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch. Okay, all right. Ubuntu.
Okay.
I'm an Ubuntu Mate.
I can't wait to hear this.
Ubuntu. This is how they describe Ubuntu. Nice and polite kid, but everybody hates it because he smells bad.
Poor
I
guy.
smell fine. What's up with that? Nice and polite. That's, I am very nice and polite, usually.
I refreshed my shirt, but
Yeah, I know. Okay. Kali Linux. K-A-L-I. I never use it.
Kali Linux.
Kali. Like showing off cool gadgets to his friends, but neither knows how they actually work or how to use them properly.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Gentoo. Okay.
Oh, no.
There we go. You know, Chromebooks are based off of Gentoo. Okay. Never gets angry because he's too patient. Doesn't mind if the teacher extends classes 5 hours into lunch. Next up is Fedora, popular Linux distribution. The one random kid you never spoke to and don't know anything about. Probably something about your mom last night. That's what it says here. It's not me. That's what it says there. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, geez.
Next up on this list is Alpine Linux. Have you guys used Alpine? There's an Alpine. I guess there is.
I've heard of it, but I never tried it.
Okay.
I thought it was a car stereo, but
Actually, it is. Yeah, got to
Yes.
think of it, like Pioneer and the Blaupunkt. Anyway, okay. This is the last one on the list. Alpine comes to school with 3 butterfly knives, a taser, and a samurai sword. Claims they're for security purposes.
oh, holy.
That sounds more like cubes or tails.
That's the end of the Linux distributions if they were students list. This is on Facebook. I know a lot of you guys probably don't use Facebook. I just caught this strictly by accident. I was catching up on my friends' messages here and stuff. But this is the Linux Fans Group. I want to give them proper credit. Linux Fans Group. So there you have it. I think they're cute, you know, but come on, Ubuntu smells bad. Gee, that's mean, you know. Yeah.
That's me.
Wow.
Yeah.
I always smell nice anyway. What's up, Ron?